Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, when the narcissist finally realizes that you just fucking done. Already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. This damn sure wasn't part of their plan. And you know how a narcissist is always gonna do it. They either try to speed up that new supply into new supreme readiness, start smearing your name even more than they already have while y'all was together, as to not fuck up their public image, immediately signing those divorce papers, move out and on with their life, or everything possible to show the true asshole they really are at a core level. You know, by escalating their reprehensible behavior, trying to send their flying monkeys in to gaslight you, trying to turn your friends, family, your own children against you, start slowing down those divorce proceedings, not signing off on paperwork that you need, taking you back and forth to court, refusing to pick up their personal items, holding your personal items hostage, showing up at places they know that you frequent, you know, on some stalker type shit. And this shit right here is where we really get to see just how divisive, diabolical, and downright dangerous these motherfuckers are. See, it wasn't enough that they had your anxiety skyrocketing every day. It wasn't enough that they had you questioning your own sanity every single day, searching for the real truth, filtering through all of their lies and manipulation. Nah, they also want to destroy you after. And if you don't have to experience this shit, consider yourself in a wonderful place, because a narcissist who is malignant, insidious, enjoys seeing you suffer are at a whole nother fucking level of assholery. See, you making the decision to walk away was a form of taking the power back that you handed over in the name of love. But that wasn't love, Lil Moccasin. Nah, see, real love has a way of making you feel safe, encourages you to be authentic, gives you grace when you fuck something up, apologizes and forgives, takes your thoughts, feelings, and emotions into consideration, is loyal and committed to you, tells you what you need to know and not always what you want to hear, but does it respectfully. Oh, but that's not what you had. Nah, you had someone trying to compete in that manipulation shit. You had someone who saw your freedom, the ways that people were drawn to you, your unique personality, your successful career or business, how you were trying to heal yourself and them, how your friends and family were ride or die for you, how the kids came to you for counsel, how everybody loved you after meeting you just that one time, how you were the life of the party or that event you went to, as a threat to their fragile ass fucking ego. And if there's one thing a narcissist is going to do when they feel threatened, it's try to dominate, control, and be the biggest advocate to fucking up your life. And it wasn't just their ego hit either. It was also because they could never be what the fuck you are, possess the ability to love and empathize with people, to be free to share their insecurities and flaws with the person they say that they love. So instead of going to therapy, of fixing their own problems, of trying to heal, they'd much rather try to regulate you, gaslight, downplay your achievements, and want you to make them your everything while literally treating you as if you are their nothing. But in the end, when you walk your ass away, abandon that bullshit environment of chaos, you have pulled the Uno reverse on a motherfucker who thought they was about to continue playing a game in your damn face. And you say, not today, you pathetic fucking narcissist loser. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.